Hello dear student, today in this video I am going to discuss about the class 7 social science, the civics chapter 1 democracy, and this one part 1. Today's first topic is evolution of modern democracy. What does democracy mean? The term democracy is mixture of two Greek words. Number 1 demos and number 2 kratos. Demos meaning people and kratos meaning rule of government. মানে ডেমক্ৰেচি শব্দটো দুটা গ্ৰীক ৱৰ্ডৰ পৰা আহিছে ডেমছ আৰু ক্ৰেটছ. ডেমছ মানে পিপল আৰু ক্ৰেটছ মানে ৰুল অফ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট. Thus, the true essence of democracy is rule of the people or their representatives. মানে ডেমক্ৰেচি মানে হৈছে ৰুল অফ দ্য পিপল অৰ দেয়াৰ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভছ. মানে পিপলে ৰুল কৰা বা তেওঁলোকে চিলেক্ট কৰি লোৱা ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভছসকলে ৰুল কৰা. ইন এ ডেমক্ৰেচি পিপল হেভ দ্য পাৱাৰ টু ইলেক্ট দেয়াৰ লিডাৰ্ছ. মানে ডেমক্ৰেচিত পিপল বা জনসাধাৰণৰ হাতত পাৱাৰ থাকে যাতে তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ লিডাৰ্ছসকলক চিলেক্ট কৰি ল'ব পাৰে. They participate in the process of governance directly or through their elected representatives. Means the word democracy derived from two Greek words demos and kratos. Demos means people and kratos means rule or government. Overall, democracy means the rule of people or their representatives. And in a democracy, people have the power or the right to elect their leaders. Tracing the roots of democracy. The history of democracy dates back to the ancient Greece. The earliest democratic system emerged means become visible in the Greek city-state of Athens, where all the adult male population of the city formed a body called the assembly and participated in the decision-making process directly. Means the earliest democratic system emerged in the Greek city, and they are all the adult male population of the city. They formed a body, and this body is called assembly. And in this assembly, all the people participated in the decision-making process directly. Mahajanpads were seen around 600 BC in India that were princely states. মানে ইণ্ডিয়াত 600 BCৰ আগতে মহাজনপদ দেখা পোৱা গৈছিল. While most of these states were ruled by a king, some states were ruled by representatives. আৰু তাৰে ভিতৰত কিছুমান states king বা ৰজাই শাসন কৰিছিল আৰু কিছুমান states representatives বা প্ৰতিনিধিসকলে শাসন কৰিছিল. The Vajji kingdom had this kind of a political system. According to Abraham Lincoln, the famous US president, democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. There are three events shaped the story of modern democracy. In Britain, the nobles who assisted the king, মানে যি কিংবিলাকক বা ৰজাক এছিষ্ট কৰে, brought out a document called the Magna Carta, limiting the power of the royal families. Limiting means serving as a limit. And it was written by a group of 13th century nobles to protect their rights and property against a cruel king. The British colonies in North America declared themselves independent from Britain in 1776 and adopted a democratic constitution in 1787. Means in 1776, the British colonies in North America, they declared themselves independent from Britain. And in 1787, they adopted a democratic constitution for them. The new government of USA adopted the Bill of Rights, which granted certain rights to its citizens. Means the new government of USA, they granted certain rights to its citizens with the help of the Bill of Rights. The feeling of liberation was felt worldwide. A revolution in France followed. This led to the establishment of France Republic based on the principles of liberty, fraternity and equality. Means the feeling of liberation was felt in whole world. and this led to the establishment of the France Republic. And this France Republic was established on the basis of three principles. Liberty means Sadinota, then fraternity means Bhatitobudh, and equality means Homota. Freedom and democracy. Some countries were colonized by other countries. Colonized means control over. The people of these colonies waged long struggles for freedom from the foreign rule. মানে যিখিনি কাণ্ট্ৰি কিছুমান বেলেগ কাণ্ট্ৰিয়ে ডমিনেট কৰি আছিলে বা কণ্ট্ৰল কৰি আছিলে তাৰ পিপলসকলে ফ্ৰীডম পাবৰ কাৰণে বহুত ষ্ট্ৰাগল কৰিবলগীয়া হৈছিল। আফটাৰ দ্য এণ্ড অফ দ্য ছেকেণ্ড ৱৰ্ল্ড ৱাৰ ইন 1945 মেনি কাণ্ট্ৰিজ গেইন ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চ ফ্ৰম দ্য কলনিয়েল ৰুল। মানে যেতিয়া ছেকেণ্ড ৱৰ্ল্ড ৱাৰ শেষ হৈছিল তাৰ পাছত বহুত কাণ্ট্ৰিজে ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট লাভ কৰিছিলে। Various factors such as end of supremacy of the European nations, emergence of USSR as a major power, and the formation of the United Nations helped colonial countries to break the shackles of foreign rule. Means these factors helped the colonial countries to get their freedom from the foreign rule. After achieving independence, most of these Asian and African countries adopted a democratic form of government. মানে যেতিয়া এছিয়ান আৰু আফ্ৰিকান কাণ্ট্ৰিজবিলাকে স্বাধীনতা লাভ কৰিলে তাৰ পাছত নিজৰ বাবে একোখনকৈ গণতান্ত্ৰিক চৰকাৰ গঠন কৰি ল'লে। India became free from British rule in 1947. She chose to be a democracy and continues to be the largest democracy in the world. Means in 1947 India became independent and India chose to be a democracy, and the Indian democracy is the largest democracy in the world. In 1991 the Soviet Union disintegrated into 15 republics. Disintegrated means break up into small parts. মানে 1991 Soviet Union খন 15টা small partsত ভাগ হৈ গৈছিল। Many of the communist countries in Eastern Europe became free from Soviet control and became democracies. মানে তাৰ পাছত সোভিয়েট ইউনিয়নৰ কণ্ট্ৰলত থকা দেশসমূহ বিশেষকৈ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ইউৰোপৰ কাণ্ট্ৰিজসমূহে ডেমক্ৰেসি লাভ কৰিছিল। Means when the Soviet Union disintegrated into 15 republics in 1991, then the many countries, mainly the Eastern Europe countries, they became free from the Soviet Union control and they became democracies. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar have had a mixed record. These countries had adopted democracy after freedom. Means the Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, they had adopted democracy after freedom. However, they have experienced army rule following a military coup or uprising. মানে তাৰ লগতে তেওঁলোকে military coup আৰু uprisingৰ যি rule আছিল সেই ruleও experience কৰিছিল। Bangladesh and Myanmar have made a transition from army rule to democracy. What we learned today? First of all, we learned about the word democracy. We learned that the word democracy is derived from two Greek words demos and kratos, and the democracy means the rule of the people or their representatives. We also learned that in a democracy, people have the power to elect their leaders. Then we learned the earliest democratic system, which is emerged in the Greek city-state of Athens, where all the adult male population of the city, they formed a body which is called assembly, and with the help of this assembly they participated in the decision-making process directly. Then we discuss about the three events shaped the story of modern democracy. Then we learned about the importance of freedom and democracy because some countries were colonized by other countries, and in 1945 after the end of the Second World War many countries gained independence from the colonial rule, and many factors helped the colonial countries to get their freedom from the foreign rule. And in 1947 India became independence, and the Indian democracy is the largest democracy in the world. And we learned that Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar had adopted democracy after freedom.